Today, our state is burning for women issue. Crime is increasing day by day. We are shocked and surprised by statement by Honorable Chief Minister yesterday, where he stated specifically what has happened. कौन हेची कि आमे हाउस कमिटी गठन करिवु आमे कहिबा को चाहूछु माननीय मुख्यमंत्री वी वांट टू टेल यू प्लीज सी द न्यूज़पेपर प्लीज गो टू द ग्राउंड लेवल people have elected you as a common man to sit in the seat to understand the issues the plight of common man but your high-handedness your arrogance is on the peak and these women will give you the right lesson because in Subhadra Yojana you have already not given due justice to women by denying their rights of 50,000 rupees have only given 27 rupees per day and now you have suspended the MLAs who have come forward to speak about the women against the atrocities of women. You think you can silence our voice but you can't silence the voice of the people of the women who are on the street who have come from every block, every panchayat, every district of Odisha to Gherau the Vidhan Sabha today to give you a lesson today that when people have voted you, when people have brought you there, it is your responsibility to understand the atrocities, to take care of women, to ensure women's safety and women are given the respect and empowerment.
So then why you are not raising voice in assembly?
We have raised voice in the assembly. You see the reply of Honorable Chief Minister. It is so shocking, surprising. Honorable Chief Minister has replied that the rape cases has increased by 8% in the last 9 months. The atrocities have gone up. There are unresolved cases. Yet he wants to save his face. He wants to protect himself. That is why he suspended MLAs. He did not agree to form a house committee. His arrogance is at the peak. And the public here is here to give him a befitting reply. Public will fight for it and we will ensure that we are fighting for the women, for the voices which are unheard and the government will be bound to take action.
You are the only Congress MLA and you
Yes.
also suspended.
I am suspended. I am extremely disheartened by this step by the government, one-sided approach by the government, where they did not listen to the voice of the opposition, to the voice of the oppressed women who are not able to come out of their house, to the homes where the rape has happened, where children are murdered, where young children have got pregnant. They have turned a blind eye and a deaf ear to the problems of women, and it's extremely disheartening that despite protesting in such a cordial way, in a respectful way, they decided to push all the opposition outside so that they can pass all their bills, they can put in fake views in the house and do whatever they want. They want to run the government in an undemocratic way, autocratic way.
Sir, what's the opinion on this protest? Congress people are very unfavorable.
See, this is a black day for democracy because 14 of our MLs were suspended for protesting in the floor of the assembly for the crime against women, and this is very sad. So Modi, he wanted to have a Congress Mukt Bharat, but instead is having a opposition Mukt assembly. This is the same model which was implemented in Gujarat as he was the chief minister. Now he is doing the same thing in Odisha. The people of Odisha will not tolerate this fascism. We are on the streets. Today we have the Vidhan Sabha Gherau, where thousands of people from all across the state have conglomerated here to make sure that the government is accountable. We demand for the constitution of a house committee and the crime against women should come down. The chief minister is holding the home department. He should immediately hand it over to someone more capable than himself. And for this, everyone has come here and we are all together. We will do this assembly Gherau very peacefully.
Thousands of people have been detained in various places of Odisha.
That's what I'm saying. It's a fascism. They are trying to kill democracy. They are trying to subdue the constitution. And this is very unfortunate because they are really scared now. But we are also quite committed that we will put our voices forward and take the fight to the streets. I think around 50,000-60,000 minimum should be here because a lot of people have been stopped in the various places. But I hope we'll touch the 100,000 mark today. Thank you.